Hello everyone, welcome back to Baruch Nation. I hope you're all having a great day. We have another product here from a company that I've never heard of before until I bought this item. It is the Opove X Prime rechargeable hair clipper. So what I was looking for, my current, I use it for trimming my beard, but I didn't want to buy a specific beard trimmer because a lot of them can't do lining up, like line it up, neaten it up. A lot of them is just shave it off. So I wanted something that hopefully this can line it up, do some lining up, neaten up the beard, right? Not necessarily cutting it all off. You know what I mean? So I went to my local Walmarts, more than one, all sold out of what I was looking for. I use electric trimmers because my skin's sensitive. So if I use a razor, I get razor bumps. Not a good look. Plus, I don't need to shave like fully, like baby ass smooth, which is nice sometimes. But I go to the barber for that. And I'm just, a quick little trim up here and there, lighten the load, as you can say. I have my trimmer, but my trimmer is over 10 years old and it's finally died on me. Or should I say, might need some tune-up, because when I turn it on, it sounds like the engine is like trying to go, but it's something stopping it. But I clean the blade every time I use it, so I'm not sure how it got clogged. It's probably just clogged with hair, but I'll have to open it up, whatever. That's what this is for. So let's open it and see what we get. So I went on Amazon, and there was a lot of reviews that were positive. A few that said that the one negative review, the guy was saying that the beard trimmer attachment broke after 6 months. I'm like, bro, that's half a year? Most products these days are built to last you, as long as they last. Like, they're not built to last anymore. They're built to break. So I figured, after 6 months on a piece that I'm probably never gonna use, I'll take the chance. So you open up the box, and the first thing you see is a thank you. Huh. Designed by, it's an Opove? What? Opove? So it's a thank you. And then we have I think that's the base. Don't know what the heck that means. I guess that's the features. I have no idea. There's the attachments. Here you have another. Cleaning brush. Power block. Surprisingly, a lot of the trimmers come with USB-C cables. I'm like, I'm not gonna plug my beard trimmer or my hair clipper into my computer. I don't have a USB-C plug in my washroom. I don't have a USB-C plug on my household outlets yet. So I wanted one that had a regular plug, like I'm used to. And there's the base, the X Prime. All right, so you just pop it in there. And here we have a little bit of weight to it. See, I wanted one that could, it looks like it can do, like you can see how it, see that? So I'm guessing that is, I'm not 100%. I don't know if that's closer or further. But we'll, I'll figure it out because I actually read instruction manuals, which I'm guessing is in the thank you for choosing us envelope. Let's take a look. Inside we have claim your free gift, and they give you what the instructions to do. It'll get you a $25 haircutting scissors. Right. 1-year warranty, 30-day unconditional money back, and there's your, if you have any problems, obviously they want you to give them a good review. We have the instruction manual. Product parts. Blade, regulator, speed switch. See, it does have a display, which I thought was kind of cool. Trim comb, cleaning brush, charging base, charging adapter. Okay, lithium ion, charge time. So we're gonna get that all charged up. There's the features, different lengths. Now, I'm not going to be using it to cut my hair. I'm primarily going to be using it to just neaten up the beard. But with these adapters, I could use it to just lower the beard. So that's going to be nice. The blade comes off. All right, see, I was doing this with my old one every time I used it. Dropping the oil on it, keep it fresh and clean and sharp. So it looks like it pops off. Don't take it apart. Don't wash it. Duh. Lithium-ion batteries. Don't put alcohol, gasoline, or banana oil. Don't put it in extreme temperatures. And then there's your warranty. Don't know who they are, but let's hope it works out well. Go charge it up, and we'll see how it does. And here's a quick before. Looking all scruffy. Main thing I like to do, you see these hairs that hang over the lip? Gotta get rid of that. And you see how it's all scruffy? Usually go to the barber for that, but and here it is charging. So it came at 97%, so it shouldn't take long to top that up. I don't know if that's 7,000 RPM or 70 RPM, I don't know. That's the dock. So I just gave myself a quick shave. See the mustache? I used the settings on the trimmer. Didn't have to put any attachments on. Lowered the hair. So now it's no longer falling in front of my lip. Decided to get rid of the sideburns. It's a quick little, I'll probably shave this off, but I just wanted to see, I wanted to test it in different areas, on the neck, on the cheeks, over the lip, right? I wanted to see how it handled different lengths in different areas, right? But I must say, it has a RPM control. Pretty good. Gosh, pretty good. See, so I just changed this setting here when I did my mustache. And it's fully charged now. So it's at 50, I guess 5,000 RPM, 60, 70, and I was using 50. Okay. You can hear the difference. It did pretty good, and it felt, because of this part here, it felt really smooth on the face. So far, so good. Now that I have this, you know, get it all trimmed up with my X Prime. Thank you for watching, everyone. I hope you all have a great day.